Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is the integral of s to the power of n dx. We got about s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c in here. So we will apply this formula in here, except about this one, s to the power of negative number 1, we got about 1 over s. So the second formula, that's about 1 over s dx, we got about ln of the absolute value of s plus c. So we will apply two formulas in here. So the integral of s to the power of negative number 3, you got about negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. The second one, the next one, and the last one. Now we need to simplify. This is about negative number 2, 4, 2, and 2. 2 divide negative number 2, you got about negative number 1. 4 divided by 2, and this is the final answer. Now let's go to the second one. In this situation, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put about s equal to 6 sine t, because if we put this one go in here, we have the square, so you got about 36. 36 with 36, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change for cosine t square. The square root of cosine t square, you got about cosine t, and later that we simplify ds. So we put about ds equal to 6 cosine t dt. So we put this one go in here and here. ds we change for this one. This one you got about 36 sine t square. Thirty-six we do about factorization. One minus sine t square, we change for cosine t square. The square root of 36 cosine t square, you got about 6 cosine t. We simplify 6 cosine t, 6 cosine t. Number 3 divided by 6, you got about 1 over 2. And this one we change for cosecant of t over 2 dt. And we got about negative 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cosine t plus c. about t in here. That's it about this one. So we divide both sides with number 6. So we got about t equal to arc sine of s over 6. So we put this one to replace for t. Now let's go to the next one. About this one in here, we put about sine 6s to the power of 4. And we have sine 6s. Next, this one we can write into sine 6s squared everything to the power of 2. So we have the formula in here. That's about sine 6s squared plus cosine 6s squared equals to number 1. So that means sine 6s squared equal to 1 minus cosine 6s squared. So we put this one go in here. Now we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to cosine 6s. The u you got about negative 6 sine 6s ds. Because we don't have negative number 6, so we divide both sides with negative number 6. So we change this one into u squared. This one we change for u to the power of 5. Sine 6s ds we change for du over negative number 6. Number 2 over number 6, you got about 1 over 3. Next, we need to expand this one. One divide u to the power of 5, you got about u to the power of negative number 5 minus 2u to the power of negative number 3 and 1 over u du. And now we got the final answer. So this one you got about negative number 4, negative number 4, negative number 2, negative number 2, negative, negative, you got about positive. Number 2 divide number 2, so you got about u to the power of negative number 2. So about u, we go back in here. That's about cosine 6s. Now we go to the next one. In this situation, we need to use about integration by parts. So we got about u equal to s, du equals to ds, dv, we got about cosine s dx. So you got about v equal to sine s. Because we still have number 5 in here, so we keep the number 5 for the next one. So we have u multiplied with v minus we have du multiplied with v, so we have the integral sine s ds, and this one we will go about negative cosine s, and we put about c in here. Negative with negative, you go about positive cosine s. Now we go to the next one. In this situation, we need to use about integration by substitution. U equals to ln s, du equal to ds over s. So this one we change for u. ds over s we change for du. So you got about 6 sine u plus c. About u, that's about ln s. The last one. In this situation, we multiply this one with s squared minus 2, number 3 with s squared, and negative number 2. So you got a new one. And now we will got the final answer. And we put the boundaries from negative number 2 to number 3. Now we simplify. Number 3 we put in here, negative number 2 we put in here. So we put number 3 in here. You got about 475. This is the end. Thank you for watching.